Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fruity Things. In this video, I will show you mini ABC book and I will explain uppercase letters or capital letters in alphabets with clay items. Let's go to the video. First one in capital letters A. First one A. A for apple. APPLE apple. And next one B. B for banana. BANANA banana. C cup. CUP cup. D donut. DONUT donut. E eggs. EGGS eggs. Eggs. F flowers. FLOWERS flowers. G grapes. GRAPES grapes. H hat. HAT hat. And next one I ice cream. ICEICREAM ice cream. J jug. JUG jug. And next one K kite. KITE kite. And next one L lollipop. LOLLIPOPS lollipops. M mat. MAT mat. And next one N nine. NINE nine. And notebook. N for notebook. And O ONE one and octopus. O for octopus. P for popsicles. POPSICLES popsicles. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. And next one R for rose. ROSE rose. S for six. SIX and spoon. S for six spoon. And next T for 10. TEN 10 and 3. TREE 3. U for U-turn. U. And next one V for violet color. VIOLET violet. COLOUR violet color. W for white color. White. WHIT white. Xmas tree. XMAS must TRE tree. Xmas tree. TREE tree. Xmas tree. Y for yolk. YOLK yolk and yellow color. Yellow. And Z zero. ZERO zero. And Z for zero. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel Fruity Things. Thank you.